Last we heard, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus were said to come for pre-order almost immediately after their announcement this Sunday, and be available for purchase shortly thereafter, on March 8, or at least that was the tip for the European launch. Previously, Korean sources tipped that the S9 will allegedly have a reservation sale with Samsung Electronics for 7 days from March 2-8, according to carrier sources, which is shortly after the February 25th unveiling at the MWC Expo indeed. Today, however, the publications say that the global rollout of the S9 and S9 Plus will start on March 16th in earnest, while those who pre-order the Galaxy smartphones can get their hands on the devices between March 9 to 15, or about a week earlier than the official launch. According to one unnamed Samsung official, the Galaxy S9 series is more focused on user convenience than the new design. The detailed sales schedule and price will be released after the unpacking event. Thus, we will have to wait for Sunday to hear on the official Galaxy S9 release date in the US, but it seems that, while pre-orders will hit the tape immediately with possible trade-in incentives, the actual launch may stretch into mid-March. Source: Korea Herald, Phone Arena.